Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save files and config files for Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater on PC. Let's get right into it. Finding your save game files. First, open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive. Open the Users folder. Click on your username folder. Now you'll need to open the App Data folder. If you don't see it, click on the View tab at the top, then select Show and click Hidden Items. Then go to the local folder. Find and open the folder named MGS Delta. Inside, open the saved folder. Now open Save Games. Open the folder with the long number. This is where all your save game files are located. Finding your config file. Go back to the saved folder. Open the folder called Config. Then open the Windows folder. Double-click GameUserSettings.ini. This file contains your game configuration settings, like graphics, resolution, and other options. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find both the save files and config settings for Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater on PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.